What's up, Jayvee? It's Jayvee Engaña here, back again with another YouTube video. And before we start, make sure to click on the subscribe button down below and the bell button for more videos and updates. So yeah, for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to install this app. I don't know what this called, but yeah, I will show it here. So yeah, let's get started. But before that, make sure na mag-screen record na tayo. And I will put the screen record right over here. So first of all, you have to go on the Google Chrome. So yeah, I'll be putting the link below, or the app name, so you can copy the name of the app and you can paste it on your Google Chrome. So yeah, put here in the search bar, then paste the text that you copied and then enter. There you go. You just have to wait, and after a few minutes or few seconds, you'll see this on your screen, and then click this. Click the second link and then click this, the green button, and yeah, it's going to download. Click this, then click OK, and yeah, go to your downloads, and here you can see that it is now downloading, and we just have to wait, and after waiting you have to click it and click install. So yeah, you can explore the app by yourself, so let's just wait. So yeah, and now it is done. You have to click this, click that, and then you will see unknown staging up, and you have to click settings. There you go, and we have to click allow from this source, back, install. So yeah, we're going to install it and just wait, and you can now explore the app. So I will show you that it is working. So let's just wait till this app install, and we should open this so that we can explore the app. Yeah, okay, now it's done. Go home. Where's that app? There you go. Click this. Okay, now we're going to open the app, as you can see in the screen, and then click this color block. And yeah, actually you can understand this because there's no English available, but yeah, I think they're working for it to make the English version of this app. So yeah, you just click this and plus, allow. Yeah, you can choose photos or something. Look, this one is funny. This one is funny, huh? Yeah, you can edit it. In the first one, you can just explore the app. I just show how to download the app. So yeah, I'll end the screen record. Bye bye. There you go, guys. Thank you all guys for watching this video. Hope this vlog helps you to download that app. So yeah, probably make sure to click the subscribe button down below and click the bell button for more videos and updates. Bye bye.